Hey guys, I'm Ben Levav. I'm a goalkeeper from California, and this is my first year at IDA, and I play at Montcadense in Liga Nacional Juvenil. I was playing in California at the MLS Next Level, and I was facing setbacks from injuries I'd had, and the goal was to play in college at the D1 level, and I was getting recruited to do so. But I was looking to develop more physically as a player and off the field to prepare myself for college, and so I needed to take a year somewhere to do that, and that's where I landed at IDA. So I'll wake up in the morning depending on when we have training, and then we'll have morning training, we'll have some kind of workshop afterwards or gym, and then I'll take a shower, I'll do gym of my own, my recovery, then I'll come back, eat lunch usually, shower, and then I'll have some work to do in the afternoon. Before I rest again, and then I have training with Montcadense at night, pretty much 5 days a week. IDA has done a ton to help me develop as a player through all the sessions that we have, through the goalkeeper sessions in the mornings, through the calisthenics, the workouts, the gym, resources they have available, the opportunities they give me with clubs in Spain. So they've done a lot for me as a player. So because my goal is to play in college, IDA has helped me a lot with communicating with coaches and like assembling video and reaching out to schools, and also helped me stay on top of my routine and find things to do outside of playing, like coaching or other opportunities in that sense. Yes, 100%. I think IDA is a great place to open doors for you in the future in the sport, because in a lot of places like in the US, it's very hard to excel as a player. And a place like IDA gives you that chance to like step away from that, a different toxic environment almost, and like find yourself as a player and develop like that at the highest level possible during Europe. And it just opens up so many doors for you. So I would for sure recommend it.